Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of not eligible for Pinterest on the application of Pinterest. In the first, you should just follow me step by step. We will go to settings as you see and you will click. In this page, you will go down until you find apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will write the name of the application here, Pinterest, and you will click in this window. Then in this page of app info, you will go down until you find Fort Stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that, you will click on Clear Cache. But pay attention, don't click Clear Data because that can delete your account. In the end, you will return, and here in this page you will find permissions, and you will check if this permissions allowed as you see here. For example, you will allow the permission of microphone, notifications here, and photos and videos and camera as you see, to fix that problem of not eligible. And then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Pinterest and you will click. Here in this page, if you find updates, you will update your app, and if this problem not fixing to you, or if this solution is not solving your problem, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.